Ever wake up just before your alarm? Your brain tripped it early. Your body starts a cortisol surge before the alarm. That hormone can jump 50% in the first half hour after waking, so the rise gets pulled forward when you expect it. In sleep labs, being told you'll wake early makes ACTH spike and cortisol rise. People wake on cue. The hidden switch is prediction. Your body clock signals the stress system to pre-arm you. Use it, pick a consistent wake time, keep it daily, and set a lamp to turn on a little before your target time. When it feels easy, mute the alarm. Did your body beat it?